What's up guys, I am Jay from How to Answer YouTube channel and here I will see you the Spotify Music Volume Booster tips for your AirPods Pro. Without wasting your time, let's check out one by one. Also subscribe my channel. First is Reduce Loud Sounds. Reduce Loud Sounds settings is the headphone volume limit for Bluetooth or wired headphone. That helps in prevent from hearing loss. Disable or adjust the volume limit from the iPhone settings. To do that, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll to sounds and haptics option and scroll to reduce loud sound option. And then turn off the toggle to remove any kinds of limitations and get the maximum volume through the AirPods. Otherwise, you change to high decimal from the slider. 75 decibels are lowest and 100 decibels is highest. So, here is the fix. Also, if not fixed, then try to second tips. Second is test the headphone accommodation settings. Headphone accommodations increase the sound intensity of the background and the slow frequency sound from music or call. To change the headphone accommodation settings or turn off that, first of all open the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll to accessibility option and scroll to audio and visual option. Here you have to change it the strong level for the tune audio for or turn off the headphone accommodation to get the quality sound. Also keep your Spotify app is up to date from the App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on the settings gear from the top right corner of the Spotify app. Now tap on the playback option and see the equalizer option. Here is the different types of predefined equalizers. Enable the equalizer toggle and select the best one that gives the boosted sound while you're playing your song from the Spotify app. Also, we can customize using the slider. Sometimes EQ is not showing the effects, then try to change after force close the app and relaunch app and try another EQ and see the instant change. Of these tips is fixed. Next is change and set music streaming quality to high for the Spotify app. This is another important settings to get the Spotify music louder. To enable the Spotify HD quality song, we can do it from the settings for Spotify app. Here is the settings of Spotify. Tap on the music quality option and now select the streaming type to very high and listen 3 times more high quality audio sounds. And the number 5 tips is turn off the data saver from Spotify app. Open the settings app on your Spotify app and the first option is data saver. Turn off the toggle to get the high quality music from the Spotify music app. Fix. One most common question is one of my AirPods is slower and the reason is unbalanced audio level on your AirPods Pro sound. Here are the settings for AirPods Pro audio balance. Open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll to accessibility, then find and tap on the audio visual options and now the last section is balance. Keep the audio balance slider on the center position, not to left or to right side. Now you will hear the more clear voice on both AirPods. Another settings is the refresh app after clear cache of Spotify app. Without uninstall or delete the app, we can clear the cache from Spotify app settings. Open the settings on your Spotify app, scroll to the storage option and tap on the delete cache button. Reset the misconfigured data for the Spotify app only. Let's check the issue is fixed or not, otherwise go to the next solution. Now the next solution is reset all the settings of your iPhone and open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll to general and again scroll to the last and tap on the reset button. Then tap on the reset all settings. Also reset AirPods Pro is a fix all kinds of connectivity issues. Exclamation mark on the iPhone during the pairing time to reset your AirPods Pro. Put both the AirPods Pro into charging case and keep your AirPods Pro lid open, then press and hold the back button of your charging case until the front flashlight amber light flashing white. Once you reset, again pair your AirPods Pro to the iPhone and check the audio quality of your Spotify music. Also update your iPhone and AirPods Pro is the ideal solution. iOS software update comes with the big improvements in the user experience, so you have to update your iPhone all the time. Open the settings and tap on the general. Now tap on the software update. Download and install the pending software update. Also check your AirPods Pro firmware version and update the latest firmware. Here is the previous video. We'll learn about how to know your AirPods Pro firmware version and update it to latest version. I hope you like my tips and tricks on Spotify volume settings and troubleshooting tips for the AirPods Pro. So comment me for more help, subscribe and share with your friends. Also some thumbs up to support me guys. Thank you. See you in the next video.